In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create thumbnails in Canva. Making eye-catching thumbnails for your videos is a great way to attract viewers, and it's easier than you might think with a tool like Canva. So settle in for the next few minutes as we dive into this fun and creative process. First things first, you'll want to hop onto Canva's homepage. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's an incredibly versatile online design tool that's both user-friendly and powerful. On the homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type thumbnail into this bar and hit enter. This will pull up a range of thumbnail templates that you can use as a starting point. It's amazing how Canva simplifies the design process by offering such a wide range of templates tailored for different themes and styles. Next, you'll be taken to a page filled with various thumbnail templates. Take your time to browse through the available options and select the one that speaks to your content and personal style. Whether you want something bold and colourful or clean and minimalist, you're likely to find a template that suits your needs. Once you've found the one you like, click on it and it will open up in the Canva editor. Now that you have your chosen template open, look for the button that says Customize this template. Clicking on this will allow you to edit the template in a way that makes it truly yours. You can change the colors, fonts, and other elements to better match your brand or the theme of your video. Canva's intuitive interface makes it simple to click on any part of the template and start customizing right away. One of the key components of your thumbnail is the text. You can easily click on the text box to edit it, altering the wording to suit your video's subject. Be clear and concise with your title to effectively hook viewers. Remember, your thumbnail often offers viewers their first impression of your content, so clarity is key. To add a personal touch, you might want to incorporate your own images. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll notice an Uploads option. Click on that and upload your desired image from your device. Once the upload is complete, you can simply drag and drop it onto the canvas. You can replace any existing images in the template by dragging your image over them. This flexibility allows you to easily update the design with your unique visuals or branding. And there you have it, your custom designed thumbnail ready to download and use. Once you're satisfied with your design, download it in the format of your choice. Canva offers various options, but JPEG or PNG is usually best for thumbnails. Remember, the goal is to entice viewers and get them interested in your content from the start. With those tips, you're all set to create thumbnails that not only look professional, but also capture the essence of your content perfectly. Thank you for following along, and happy designing.